Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing this zombie look. So I have this little bite that I'm gonna put on my face right here and I'm gonna try to blend it in. Okay, this is what it looks like up close, kind of sticky. Oh, okay, peel it off, right? All right, so now I'm just wetting it, and I gotta wet it and let it sit for a little bit. Okay, let's peel it and see. Oh, that's so gross. So now I'm gonna go in with some powder to like blend the edges. I'm gonna take this Sigma brush and this powder from Sephora and try to blend and make it my skin tone. That's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna go in with this red from the Violet Voss palette and I'm gonna put it around there, and probably a little bit of the purple and some black to make it look like a bruise or like it's inflamed. I'm taking this black from the Makeup Revolution palette and I'm just going around the edge of it and I'm packing it on, and then I'm gonna go back and blend it out because we don't want the bite to look too fresh, but we don't want it to look too old. Also gonna add a little bit of this really dark blue. It's the shade Jellies. Some more of the fake blood on this little brush and just putting it around the edges like that, but not too much, literally the tiniest amount. Okay, so I'm just drawing veins on, and I don't want them to be too thick or too thin. I'm using an eyebrow pencil for this. Okay, so this is scar wax that I'm using to make the outline. I kind of made it jagged, the edge is sticking up because it's supposed to look like part of your face fell off. And also make sure that you put some type of oil on your fingers so that it doesn't stick. You want to keep following this outline that you created until it looks like this, and then once it looks like this, you're gonna go ahead and put on some skin tone powder before you put on more colors. So here I'm taking this green from the Morphe Artistry palette. Use a bigger brush like this one, and this is just a mix of green from the Artistry and a Midnight palette to make you look dead. I'm gonna take some of this black, these are both from the Mayron palette, on this brush and blend it into this. Okay, so if this doesn't look blended like how eyeshadow does, that is okay, because this part of your face is supposed to have died. It's supposed to be dead, like gangrene, like about to fall off, basically. Like, yeah. Since you covered this in skin tone powder, it's going to be easier to put on this red now. So I'm going to take this black from that same Makeup Revolution palette on the other end of this brush and just blend it into this. Alright, then I'm going to go with a combo of this purple, this blue, on this same brush, but I'm gonna do it lightly. Okay, so I'm gonna take this teeny tiny brush and put blood all along here. I'm gonna try to like push it up as I do it. NYX Jumbo eye pencil in Black Bean. I'm also just gonna go black around my eye. I'm basically trying to make these seem like they're coming from everywhere. When you draw these veins, don't draw them too dark or too light. Use an eyebrow pencil and draw a lot of them like you're trying to think about where you put your thing that you put in that safe spot that you can't find. Like by the time you finish, you should look like all your veins basically came to the surface, and then go ahead and add some extra blood like I did all over to the bite, to the part where your skin fell off. Just make it look extra bloody. I even went and added it where it would drip down just a little bit, so that it would look like it just happened. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to follow me for more Halloween looks.